On statistical physics. We were studying Unit 1, Statistical Basis and Thermodynamics. In today's session, let us study relation between entropy and thermodynamic probability. So, Boltzmann in 1896 derived the relation between entropy, which is a thermodynamical quantity, and thermodynamic probability, which is a statistical quantity. So, he derived the relation between these two quantities. One is a thermodynamic quantity, entropy, which is measure of disorder, isn't it? So, when what meant by entropy? Tropy means transformation. It is taken from a Greek word. Tropy means transformation. When a system is taken from one adiabatic to another adiabatic along an isotherm, an amount of heat is either given or taken in, isn't it? Either heat is liberated or heat is supplied at constant temperature. So system is taken along a isotherm. So the ratio of Q by T, that is heat liberated or absorbed divided by the temperature, gives the change in entropy taking a system from one adiabatic to another adiabatic. So in short, we can consider the entropy is the measure of disorder. So in case of a reversible cycle, reversible process, there is no change in entropy, and in case of irreversible process, there is change in entropy, or there is increase in entropy, and all the processes in the universe are irreversible. Therefore the entropy of the universe is increasing. This is a meaning of the entropy, isn't it? And thermodynamic probability. What is meant by thermodynamic probability? In the previous session we have studied the thermodynamic probability, isn't it? Thermodynamic probability is nothing but the number of microstates corresponding to a macrostate is called as a thermodynamic probability. So uh, Boltzmann in 1896 derived the relation between these two quantities, isn't it? Entropy and thermodynamic probability. In equilibrium state, the equilibrium state of a system is the state of maximum probability, isn't it? So equilibrium state is the state of most probable state. It is the most probable state. So if a system is not in equilibrium, the changes will take in the systems so that the system is brought into equilibrium, isn't it? So equilibrium state is the state of a system of maximum probability. But from thermodynamical point of view, the equilibrium state is the state of maximum entropy. So from thermodynamical point of view, the equilibrium state is the state of maximum entropy also. Is the system is not in equilibrium. Just now I have told that if the system is not in equilibrium, changes will take place in such a way that changes will take place in the system in such a way that the equilibrium is reached and the system attains a maximum entropy, isn't it? So when a system attains maximum entropy, the system is in equilibrium. If it is not in equilibrium, changes will take in the system so that it is brought into equilibrium, which is the maximum entropy state. Thus the equilibrium state is the state of maximum entropy and probability, most probable state. This observation inspired Boltzmann to think that there must be some relation between these two quantities. So this is the observation. So this observation inspired Boltzmann to think in the way that there should be some relation between thermodynamic probability and entropy. This relation is also called Boltzmann's entropy relation, isn't it? Now let us derive that relation. According to uh, thermodynamics, entropy S of a system is related to temperature T by relation dou S upon dou E is equal to 1 upon T, isn't it? So change in entropy divided by change in heat, isn't it, is equal to 1 by T. As we know that dou E is equal to T ds. Dou E is equal to T ds. But from the statistical mechanics, in statistical mechanics, there is this relation 1 by T is equal to K beta, and beta is equal to dou by dou E of log of W. Therefore, 1 by T is equal to K beta is equal to K into dou by dou E of log of W. So equating the above two relations, we get dou S upon dou E is equal to 1 by T, which is equal to K into dou by dou E of log of W. Integrating this equation, we get S is equal to K log of W. S is equal to K log of W. S is the entropy and W is the thermodynamic probability. So this gives the relation between the entropy and thermodynamic probability, isn't it? So this is called as Boltzmann's relation also. There is an alternative method given, isn't it? So we will derive the same relation by some alternative method, isn't it? So Boltzmann assumed that the entropy S of a physical system is function of thermodynamic probability W, isn't it? Boltzmann assumed S is a function of W. So S is function of W. Uh, Let us consider this to be equation 1. So let us consider two systems A and B having entropies S1 and S2. Let there are two systems A and B with their entropies S1 and S2. Since the entropy is an additive quantity, the entropy of two systems taken together is S is equal to S1 plus S2, isn't it? So S is the entropy of the two systems taken together, which is sum of S1 plus S2. Now, if W1 and W2 are the thermodynamic probabilities of systems A and B, then the combined probability W is the product of the probabilities. So, if W1 and W2 are the thermodynamical probabilities of the two systems A and B, then the combined probability W is the product of the individual probabilities. W is equal to W1 into W2. Thus, S is a function of W, which is function of W1 into W2. We can say S1 is a function of W1, S2 is a function of W2. Substituting from equation 4, 5 and 6 in equation number 2, which is equation number 2, S is equal to S1 plus S2. So substituting these values in equation 2, we get f of W1 W2 is equal to f of W1 plus f of W2, isn't it? Differentiating this equation with respect to W1 and W2, we get, let us differentiate with respect to W1, f dash of W1 is equal to W2 into f dash of W1 into W2. Similarly, differentiating with respect to W2, that is f dash of W2 is equal to W1 into f dash of W1 into W2. Dividing equation 8 by 9, if we divide equation 8 by 9, we get f dash of W1 divided by f dash of W2 is equal to W2 upon W1, isn't it? Or cross multiplying, what we get, W1 into f dash of W1 is equal to W2 into f dash of W2 and so on, isn't it? If you take number of systems, you will get such type of relation. Let us consider that to be a constant K. which is called as Boltzmann's constant, where k is a constant. So f dash of w1 is equal to k upon w1, or f dash of w2 is equal to k upon w2, and so on you can write for the other quantities. Integrating this equation, so f dash is the derivative. Integrating this equation, we get f of w1 is equal to k log of w1, 1 upon x. So derivative of integration of 1 upon x is log of x, isn't it? So integrating the above equation, f dash of w1 is equal to k upon w1. If you integrate that, you get f of w1 is equal to k into log of w1 plus some constant of integration c1, or f of w2 is equal to k log of w2 plus some constant of integration c2, or in general you get the relation f of w is equal to k log of w plus c, where c is constant of integration. So we get a relation s is equal to k log of w. S is equal to k log of w plus c, isn't it? S is equal to k log of w plus c. F of w is equal to f of w1 into f of w2, which is equal to s, isn't it? Thus, constant of integration c is evaluated by substituting the condition that at absolute zero temperature s is equal to 0 and w is equal to 1, isn't it? At absolute zero temperature, all the processes taking place in the system are in such a way that there is no change in entropy, and for convenience we consider the entropy to be equal to 0 at the absolute zero temperature. So at absolute zero temperature, the entropy is 0 and thermodynamic probability is therefore 1. So therefore C is equal to 0. If you substitute these two quantities, that is S is equal to 0 and W is equal to 1, we get the constant of value of constant of integration to be 0, and we substitute the value to be value of c to be 0, we get the relation s is equal to k log of w, where k is called as Boltzmann's constant. This relation is called as Boltzmann's entropy relation. S is equal to k log of w gives the relation between entropy and thermodynamical probability, isn't it? Thus, the relation states that entropy of the system is proportional to logarithm of thermodynamic probability of the system. So, S is directly proportional to log of W, which in other words, entropy of the system is proportional to logarithm of thermodynamic probability of the system. So we can draw an inference that entropy of the universe always tends to increase. At the beginning, I told that all the processes taking place in the nature are irreversible processes, and in each irreversible process there is increase in entropy. Therefore, with each irreversible process there is increase in entropy, and entropy of the universe is increasing with each irreversible process. So the entropy of the universe always tends to increase, means that W always tends to increase, isn't it? So if S is directly proportional to log of W, so if S increases, log of W increases, that means W increases. So thermodynamic probability also increases. So W always tends to increase, which in turn means that universe always changes towards statistically more probable state, isn't it? So universe is proceeding towards the most probable state. So we come to the end of the topic. So in today's topic, or in today's session, we have studied the relation between entropy and thermodynamic probability. So entropy is a thermodynamic quantity, and thermodynamic probability is a statistical quantity, and Boltzmann derived the relation between them, that is S is equal to K log W. It is called as Boltzmann's thermodynamic relation, isn't it? So we come to the end of the session. We will discuss the last article in the next video. So till then, take care, like, share, and subscribe our channel, and comment on our videos. uh, Press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications at the proper time. Thank you very much.